In this short video, we'll show you how easy it is to set up a door for the first time with the Dynalogix5 controller. The first time the door is powered up, Dynalogix5 will ask you to select a language. This can be changed later. Next, you will be asked to set the closed and opened limits. Use the arrows to position the door. If the door moves in the opposite direction of the arrows on the screen, this means the phasing to the motor is reversed. Not to worry, use the other arrow button to lower the door to the closed limit, and the Dynalogix5 will intelligently correct the phasing on its own after you complete setting the limits. A photo cell test is then required. Press Start to begin the test, which will take approximately 5 seconds. If the test is not successful, check your electrical connections to the photocell. If the photocell wiring has been checked, ensure that nothing is blocking the photocells during the test and the photocell is not misaligned. If the test is successful, the system will take you to the main screen. To verify the limits, you'll want to use Dead Man mode to ensure the door does not over-travel, so press the Timer Quick Launch button. Next, press the DMM button. It should illuminate red. Then return to the main screen. Dead Man mode will move the door at jog speed within the set limits, so press and hold the up and down arrows until the open and closed limits are reached. If fine, you can re-enter the timer screen and deactivate Dead Man mode. That's it, your door is ready to use. If you want to fine-tune the open or close limit, you can access that through the Limits screen. The large Reset button on this screen starts the whole sequence over. If you just want to fine-tune limits, you can adjust the open or close position up to 10 encoder increments. For example, if your door curtain is below the reintroduction block bearing, you would increase the number of increments for the open position. If your curtain is too high, you would decrease the number of increments for the open position. The same method will work for the closed position. Increase to go higher, decrease to go lower. Once the fine-tuning is set, do a full open and close cycle to check the new curtain position. For more detailed information on setting limits, see the Dynalogix5 manual.